It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make immune booster tea. So guys, let me show you all that will be needed. Firstly, there are 3 main ingredients that are required, and these ingredients are so rich in vitamin C. One is lemon, ginger roots, garlic, and here turmeric powder. Pour in your chopped lemon, ginger, and garlic. 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Afterwards, pour in water. The water needs to be level with the chopped lemon, garlic, and ginger. At this point, you sift. Booster tea is ready. For storage, it's either you pour in a jar or a bottle, and afterwards you refrigerate. 2 teaspoons of honey. You can use 1, it doesn't matter. Some tea and warm water. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.